बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। हम जस्ट पुट करेंगे अपने थॉट्स को फाइनेंशियल मार्केट पे कि व्हाट वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग एंड व्हाट ऑलरेडी डन, you know, better the environmental condition around. We will go very slow. The foundation is very clear. Why I am writing this? Because if you know these concepts, you will better know what is the future move. Okay, these are just the techniques or the tools which you are applying to this market to predict how the price will go, okay, according to a specific time. We will be give a read to all of these, but the but for now we are not we are not in the mood to discuss all these topics. Just we will give our thoughts to this financial market. What is this US 100? As all you know, इसका फ्यूचर है NQ. NQ is the real data, और ये जो होती है CFDs ब्रोकरेज डेटा, जिसमें हाई और लोज आपके साथ और मेरे साथ थोड़े से डिफरेंट होते हैं, ठीक है। सो कहने का मतलब है कि you can predict the market whether you apply this concept, okay. So this is the daily time frame. In simple way, how you predict the market is consolidating or expanding. So this is the expansion, going higher high, higher low, and then lower high, lower lows. So this is the downward, this is the upward, and the same time you can assume here it will be a consolidated market. But if you apply MMXM market maker model to these, you will better know what is the future move, and if you apply the time cycle, you will better know where are we for now. Okay. So at the daily time frame, this is December high, this is December low, this is previous year high 2025 not low. This is just a simple sell side. I think it's November. Yeah, November. December high, December low. For better understanding, you need to go to NQ chart. How you can go? This is the NQ chart. Okay. I'm not logging to my real trading view account. That's why it's showing delayed. But it is a March contract for E-mininas. Okay, so if you look to the December high here, previous year high, November low, December low, both of them is not jagged, mean not run. But if you look to the ES, which is S&P 500, and you will give more weight to the S&P. Why? Because it contains 500 companies, and NAS contains 100 companies, but Nasdaq is a separate market. Okay, it's the accumulation of 100 companies. Okay, so let's start with the real thing. So this is E-mini Nasdaq. If you see, December high is not jagged, US 100 per the CFDs market. Someone starting the trading just from the scratch, so they will see like this and they will focus on here. Why? The reason, see me data you need to get, and you need to get the trading view account. So that's why this is the some basic stuff you will do for yourself. Okay, yesterday market came down and we buy it here and trade up to here almost. I will show you on the low time frame how we can predict the low, that it is the low the day and the low of the session, what we are focusing. Okay, but for me this fair value gap or this imbalance is very valuable. If we are not going down, I am expecting some run to the upside. My expectation for the upside is to take this December high a little bit deeply, like this is a small shallow run, but we need at least the candles above, and then the previous yearly should not be jagged. But on ES, if you see, already the work is already done here, right? But if you see this previous week high, December high, it's checked already here. But for here in the US 5 in the US 100, it is not, it is still. So my point of concern is we will focus for this daily time frame that we are expecting some upward moves, downward move until we closes below at some displacement. Yes, we are using every concept, but we need to simplify it everything, okay, for the sake of our understanding. Yep, I believe I am talking to myself, but let's see what's your response. So we are expecting manipulation, then distribution, manipulation, then distribution. And if it goes above, then we will see how we can farm the high, and then we can distribute lower. And if we farm high here and come down, then for every day there is specific rule for power of 3, like open high, then low close. Okay, open high, low close every day, the same expectation. You goes to the market specific time, 9:30 open. It's depend on you how you trade. Sorry, but the point is you need to go straight away, open high, low close, open high, low close. But for now we need to at least wait for this run. Early time frame, this is the low yesterday. It's around 138 or 140, I think so. Yes, this is the marking previous week high, previous week low, and this is the 50% up. Below you can say time-based discount, time-based premium. Market goes up down in these premium discount, but you will better understand with the time. Okay, this is the yesterday 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, this 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock you can assume the downward move because it need to check these lows, which is very important to run. For every move you need to at least one manipulation. These are the manipulation for the up move, so that's why I am confident in the upward move for now. Today is the Thursday, 15th of January 2026. Okay, so what I'm expecting for this day to, if they goes before the market open, then we will not do anything. But if they just come down a little bit and give us a little bit manipulation, then we will see how the low is forming, and with the specific rule we will discuss. For now we are just giving a little bit deep insight what we are expecting for this specific market. Okay, what I need to show this one, 139, 139, 130. You can say it's same principle like 930, but it's open and then 938 it goes off in a little bit time distortion and then goes off. Okay, now we will see the dollar index. Dollar index is one of the important thing you need to focus on. Here it is a crack here between dollar and GBP USD, and then you will see it the euro USD. If you see the dollar for the forex trader, they need to at least focus on the euro USD. At least I'm not a financial advisor, but the thing I'm doing in the past, what I'm explaining to you. Okay, so it is only for the educational purposes and for the entertainment purposes. Okay, what we are assuming here, we are coming down, and again coming down, and for these things I will also teach about the external and internal range liquidity, which you will assume like when there is a run and then the market goes opposite direction and you are somewhat feared of like what is going on, but then you will realize, okay, this is the real algorithmic point of view we need to do. So here when the market is here, we are assuming here that this ICT concept is like order block, and this is a fair value gap imbalance. But if in a simple way, if you want to understand, this is a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, so it goes above here, but at least you need to add the time is very important. Here we are understanding like we need to goes down, like you need to assume this price run need to be neglected in your mind, like there's no price run here. Okay, we need to come here and then goes down, but the price come here and goes up, and when we are above here, we know like we need to go off. Okay, what is for now the expectation is the price finds support here. Okay, the price finds support here in this imbalance you are seeing. Why I'm discussing डॉलर इंडेक्स, डॉलर इंडेक्स ज़रूरी इसलिए है कि इसके ऊपर आप फॉरेक्स ट्रेड कर सकते हैं और आप इंडस्ट्रीज भी इसके ऊपर ट्रेड कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि ये आपको एक ओवरव्यू देता है इकोनॉमिक कंडीशंस की. So I am expecting this need to be the support in which you are idealizing. So this is the support and we are need to go off with a little bit speed. Okay, but need to be precaution that environmental condition is very rough nowadays. Take a look. Okay, then euro USD the same but reverse. You see here and you already see it in the dollar, it is already taken. What specific here I will teach you, because it is so important, not every high every low, but a time base high time base low. What we are assuming here, we are going up smoothly, but the point come when we are assuming here that this imbalance should be support the price to go up, but the low is not formed here and we goes through down. When this candle form, I know we taken this run and now we will goes down deeper. So for now also we are expecting that we need to go down to reach this high, then this high, then this high with a little bit speed, and then this high with a little bit slow and then speed. Okay, but you need to be cautious at least. My voice will my voice is not good because I'm recording this from my phone, okay, but okay, the time it will be good, inshallah. So यही है प्यारे भाइयों, अपना ख्याल रखिए और अपने दुआ में याद रखिए। हम आते रहेंगे वीकली, मंथली, डेली रिव्यू के लिए। अगर आप लोगों को अच्छा लगा हो तो, ना लगा हो तो भी आएंगे। जस्ट दिस इज़ माई lifestyle and I want to reveal the things in front of you. बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रेडर्स निकल आए हैं जो बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रेंड लाइन और मूविंग एवरेजेस सिखा रहे हैं, तो हम थोड़ी सी हकीकत से आपको आगाह करना चाहते हैं that is not the real trading. How you believe that one country can give his currency to some retail minded trader to fluctuate up and down? It should be controlled. Okay, it should be controlled. We will study the economic calendar for sure, 100%. Economic calendar is one of the most important thing, but this is just the start of how I pursue this career, how I pursue this video series. Let's see. Okay, thank you.